Hey, we got Casey Slugs over here, right there in this blind. His son. And his son, Jacob. Wake up, Jacob! Stop sleeping! Come on, let's go, we're running. Let's go. What's going on in here, man? What's going on in here, bro? What's going on in here, bro? I saw you. How you gonna catch a deer like that? Well, we're gonna, oh damn, your corn's right there?
Yeah, we're too close to it.
I can tell you that myself. Hey, in the middle of the woods, man. Like, I really love this. I can live here. You country boys made a country boy out of me. I love this. Can't get enough of it, baby. Really beautiful fall. Picked up the boys. Time to go find them. All right, here's the stand.
Where you at, bro?
Hello. Oh, I heard something over here. Work up. Yeah. What we got?
Oh, I was in the stand. I groaned a couple times, maybe 5 minutes. I heard something come in behind me right here, come across. It was a doe, and then like 30 seconds later, I heard a grunt. I knew it was a buck coming in behind her, so I just got up and got turned around. The doe almost busted me. Turning around in the stand, I was up in the tree there, turning around to get a shot and come across here. And when he got in the opening here, I let him have it.
And what else? The classic, right?
Yeah,
the classic,
the
your antique.
Man, I ain't never.
Yes, that was remembering. Keep running the antique out. Oh, that's how you get down? Let me help. Instead of looking over here like I'm doing nothing. You need some help, bud? I'll grab one, you got the other one?
Yeah.
Oh my God, fat girl. Fat boy.
That's good.
More?
A little more.
Teamwork. Big balls, look at that. Man. Good shot, man. Right there, huh? Right on top of the shoulder blade.
Yeah.
Right?
Be a hard shot.
Good. Lunch. That is beautiful, man. My man. That's the guy that makes you do this right there. Damn.
This is what deer camp's about right here, guys. There you go. Put this thing on the ledge.
There you go. There you go. Look at this teamwork, man. I love it.
Shot placement.
I know. I just saw that. Look, I put my finger in it. I had to. I was like, yo, that's so good. I was actually looking for the pellet, to be honest with you. Oh, I know. I'm looking for it. Good job, man. Y'all killed it, man.
All right, we found our buck. Shot him about maybe 40 yards. He kicked a little bit and ended up down over the bank. I thought he was gonna go in the creek. Luckily he didn't. He finally stopped kicking a few minutes later, and we got him. So down here in Mississippi with Chris Farmer and the guys. It's the first time I ever hunting deer in Mississippi. Thank you very much, Chris. Greatly appreciate it. Great Mississippi buck. Nice 8-pointer. Quackenbush 457, Lehigh Defense, controlled fracturing 457 rounds. Thanks for watching.
Nothing to see here. Just driving around. Hey, bud.
Following us.
I know. So we make sure the product gets home safe. How we roll? Deer Park, Mississippi, baby. This is awesome. We got Mississippi. So here we have Jacob, Andrew, aka KC Slugs. Can't stop the pop. And you just saw my boy just do it. He didn't want to wait. I don't know why, but it's okay. Oh, now he's camera shy, huh? So if somebody's recording him, there was a buck. He will be shy. Hold on, let me get this. Where you gonna hit? Go ahead, bud. Ooh, a fun camp. Say it again.
Bottom white one.
Hold on, let me go here, zoom in, bottom white one. Got him. Oh, everybody got bowed out? What you shooting?
Carbon Kira by Bowtech.
I like that one.
3.2 pounds.
What? Yo, this weighs nothing.
What happened?
Oh, you guys are playing horse or?
I think I kind of just took one of hers.
Uh-oh. Thought you guys playing a game or something. How many people does it take to lift a deer? You cut the bullet out?
There's the blood.
So the blood filled up on the cavity. Now that it's up, gravity's doing its work. Okay.
All right. Looks like the core of the Lehigh defense round passed through to the other side and got stuck into the hide. So we're going to cut it open and see what
Like this.
what it looks like.
Didn't go through.
So the hollow point petals break off, as you can see, and go in different directions in the animals.
Good Lord, that's cool. So what are you doing there, bud?
We're getting ready to skin this buck out.
So what are you doing first?
Oh, I got skin around the legs,
left behind is like
split down the center,
that should be the core, yes.
cling them to the side, skin it back,
talking about.
stretch it down, pull it all the way down, and that's a wrap. Very cool. They have the cut.
Oh, so you're not cutting that. What's that second gland he was talking about?
Also gland.
That's what you gotta, fossil gland.
Tarsal.
And that's how you're gonna cut it out?
Yeah.
And you cut the cavity out right here and let it drop in? You do that one? Or you cut the sphincter and let it drop in?
You gotta cut it too. You get it on down.
How lean is the deer meat?
Huh?
How lean is it?
Lean. You can't, you need a fat. Yeah. Burger, sausage.
Pull it down. Yeah, that's what I usually do when I don't do it.
Go across here.
Do we wait?
We're already across. Just gotta get that kit's also got the sauce. You want to get it off.
Okay. So that bullet that went in there. Look at that. I want to see that thing he's talking about. Delicious.
Oh, I usually just cut it off. Once I got the string on there and tie it off, I cut it off, pull it through the other.
Okay. So you cut it off after you tie the string. You cut it off. I've never seen it done that way. All right.
Show us.
All right, show us.
I'll put it ready to pull.
Baby, got that. Booty, booty, booty.
Down that bone.
I mean, looks good right there. Oh! I didn't hear ding. I hear something.
Heard something. Man, a hole in one.
I believe you missed bigger than shit. For real.
Put those there too. So I just swapped it for the bigger model, and then I just put a suppressor, a bigger one on, try to quiet it down a little bit.
Still got a ball.
That's a nice ass.
It just looks like this is a little handle, that's all. Looks like a little Glock.
Hockey lever?
Yeah, that's how you cock it. I'm sorry. That's how you cock it. You pull this down and it opens this so you can load it, and then you close it up like that. So it's your trigger guard and your cock lever both.
All in one.
Yeah, single shot. Yep. Yeah. I got one there. You want to shoot? It's on safety right now.
Everyone, let me get out the way.
2 millidots down, and we should hit that kind of.
2 minutes down.
Might be a little low in air now. I've already shot it a couple times.
You shooting the coyote or the front target?
82 caliber.
82 caliber.
1,450 grains.
1,450 grains. Something like, oh,
This thing weighs as much as I do.
like that. It's gonna be.
I got this real quick. That's a big boy.
It's not sighted in though. I just took
Damn eardrums like this.
right. I think it's full in air. I'm not even sure if it's full in air. This can hold 5,000 psi. It can hold 5,000. It's got titanium air too. So I shot low.
I seen where it hit though.
Yeah, we did.
No, I got to say one. Let me know.
He's recording too.
Recording.
I think it's this trail here or something, but they went back in the woods.
There's the corn pile there.
We dropped corn piles there.
Thought that's blue, but I don't think it is.
Should have burned a dog.
We got
Blood right here, right here. Here.
It ran this way.
It sure did. Come on, boss. So we shot it during the day, and now we're trying to find it in the dark.
Here.
All right.
Got that?
I'm gonna follow you so I can. Blood right here.
Yeah, see? It's coming right up through here. Stay right on my heel.
Hey, I'm staying on your
There
heel.
you go,
I'm
brother.
right on you, don't worry. Not like that, my
Oh
brother.
my God, bro! Look how she's pumping it out for an air gun.
For Jacob.
Look right here on the tree. Dude,
Wait,
she was
wait.
crashing into that shit.
There's the blood. Blood. We're going more blood.
Like I said, right in here somewhere, she took a little bit of a turn. Right here, coming here.
Yep.
Chris,
Come. It's going right through Chris.
there. God, look at her
Which way it
corner.
goes now?
It's still going up
Yeah.
this way.
Yeah.
Here.
Here. So she went back this way.
I told you. Right there she is.
Where?
I told
We
you.
got it. There it is. You got yours.
Look where it exited. You did get a pass through. Boy, you put it. I told you put it right on the shoulder for
You
the
did.
angle.
My man.
That deer, boy.
Get behind that for real. You can pick that up by yourself.
Get behind.
We're gonna eat good tonight, Jacob. Thank you. You did this, brother. How was it? How was taking out your first deer?
Oh man, this is awesome.
How was the adrenaline?
Oh man.
Because you know who's more happy than you are, right?
Yeah, my dad.
Pops over here is not having it. He's so happy as a proud father. I think he felt like he took the shot.
I'm telling you.
Since I started to hunt, this is my first year.
And you know what he's gonna make you do, right?
Yep. Taking it out of the heart.
Taking a bite out of the heart, an old Indian ritual.
Yes, sir.
I'm probably gonna puke when I watch him do it, but we're definitely gonna support Jacob.
Jacob.
Great job.
Go ahead and tire.
Oh yeah, we already got one in the bag.
That's right.
How many have you seen a deer in the bag?
What did he call Jacob the pistolier? He's putting in work with that Challenger.
Jacob's gonna do something special for us.
Best damn eating in the land right there.
I can't. What are you doing there, bud?
Getting the silver skin off the back strap because it's what makes it stringy and tough.
Oh.
Very
The
dry,
back
just like
strap,
it's
which is supposed to be the best of every animal. Look at that professional here. Look at him go.
You know, since he was young.
Hey, that's what we should be called, the Hunting Boys. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how the backstrap comes off. So this is a hog, this will be your pork chop. Very, very tasty.
would be the end of it.
Show them that good piece. What everyone loves. The what?
The
Back strap. Put it in the bag. You see that? Literally in that bag. Good job. I know you guys don't want to watch another one, but good job.
Alrighty, guys.
So Jake's got his first deer.
I'm taking a bite of the deer heart for my first year ever.
First year ever.
Airgun Deer Camp, Mississippi.
Sure is.
Get by hard.
There you go. That's a big muzzle right there.
Pop said it's an old Cherokee tradition. It's
I
paying
believe it.
respects to the animal.
Sure is.
Keith has bigger cojones than I do, man. He has bigger balls than I do. Congrats, Jake. Congrats.
The 357 9mm Rex P, basically 9mm, because if you see that right there, it looks like a 9mm Glock. You have the modifier right here. You have the scope on as well, the rail, the stock, and the way he does this is opens this. The pellet goes right in here, the 357. You cock this down, it goes in, and you have a shot. And the power behind this is no joke. It looks little, but the power is awesome. This is Chad Sims from Lethal Air Guns.
357.
357. 357.
357.
So Chad, thank you again from Lethal Air Guns. He's letting us play with some of his toys. Chris Farmer as well. This is amazing.
We're having a hell of a day here.
Yep.